And while there's shock and outrage over this horrific rape and murder that's taken place in a hospital premises in Kolkata, doctors have come together demanding action by Bengal authorities. There's going to be a pan-India nationwide agitation tomorrow on Monday. But important to highlight, emergency services won't be hit. Doctors have confirmed that. They've said that only elective hospital services will be halted in protest. Doctors have also come out to appeal, and this is an important one. They've said don't give any political color to our protest. Look at it as just an agitation for justice and nothing more for our young colleague, for the 31-year-old victim here who was raped, who was brutalized and murdered inside a medical hospital while she was on duty. Doctors are going to be staging a nationwide protest tomorrow. At hospitals, emergency services will not be hit. They will continue. Doctors who are in fact put in these emergency services will not stop performing their duty. Elective hospital services is the only thing that will be halted for 24 hours tomorrow. And doctors are doing this to send out a message that they want justice for their colleague in Kolkata. Ritik Mondal is joining us with more details on this. Ritik, you've been tracking the protest taking place in Kolkata. There have been women doctors out there who've been agitating for the last many hours, through the day in fact. They're getting support now from across the country as doctors have come together and are saying that we will not rest till we get justice for the young doctor who was murdered in this manner.
Hospital has triggered a nationwide wide protest among junior doctors. Even today, several junior doctors, following several rounds of meeting, they have decided they would continue the protest and agitation demanding justice for the victim. Remember, in this particular matter, Kolkata police has already arrested one prime accused, and of course, the superintendent of this concerned hospital has been removed from the post. But that is not going to die down anger among doctors. But we can see, in particular, this hospital and in and around Kolkata, there are several hospitals where the junior doctors, resident doctors, they have decided to carry on such protests even tomorrow. And currently, as we speak, we do see the Commissioner of Police of Kolkata has already arrived, and several top cops have also arrived at the crime scene. Today was the day when a team of forensic experts also visited the crime scene. But we do expect that the Commissioner of Police would address the media soon after from now. We see that the medical facilities, particularly the OPDs at several hospitals being affected due to such protests, and students and particularly junior doctors, they demand for a thorough inquiry, and they said that could be reason, what could be the reason behind this killing needs to be revealed as soon as possible, and they also demand for the reveal of the entire and a thorough post-mortem report of the crime as soon as possible. So these are the demands being raised by the protesters, and what we can understand that this protest and anger is going to raise even tomorrow and days to come. Back to you, Akshita.
All right, Ritik, thanks for those details. Doctors coming together now demanding justice for the young doctor. You're going to be seeing nationwide protests taking place tomorrow.